Hey, it's Jared from Impact 90. Today we're going to talk about how to update your payment information. Okay, so this is going to be a pretty straightforward video. If sometimes you have to update your payment information because your credit card expires, or you started it with one credit card and then you want to switch to a different business card, etc. So it's really quite simple. Here we are in the back end. You're going to go to Settings. You're going to go to Billing and Account. You're going to click on Billing, and then you're just going to click on the top thing that will, this is the current card that's being used. You'll click on that, and then here you go. Obviously, it doesn't show any of my information. It has my name and it has my zip code. But once you go ahead and you add in your new card number, expiration, and the magic code on the back, a new button will come up that says Update Information. You click that, and then you're all good. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We can be found at impact90.com. Thanks.